1682년 프랑스 파리.
Be it known that we intend to hold court at the Palace of Versailles within the coming month of May.
천국의 정원을 닮은 궁전을 꿈꾸던 루이 14세는 꿈을 현실로 옮기기 위한 또 다른 명령을 내리는데
That the greatest masters of France will realize this vision, unparalleled in the history of the world, in gardens of exquisite and matchless beauty. Heaven shall be here.
왕의 원대한 꿈을 실현시키고자 프랑스 최고의 정원사들이 베르사유로 모여듭니다.
Light is fading, master.
프랑스를 대표하는 정원사 앙드레 르노트르는 정원 설계의 대가로서 모든 선과 각을 계산해 질서를 창조해내는 인물이었습니다. 하지만 그의 삶은 정원처럼 완벽하지 않았는데 형식적인 결혼 생활에 지쳐 마음 한켠이 메말라가고 있었기 때문이죠. 한편 앙드레가 주최한 선발 과정에 참여하기 위해 그의 집을 찾는 정원사 사빈트 바라.
Master Lenotre, I am delighted to make your acquaintance.
그녀는 다른 정원사들처럼 규칙과 질서를 쫓기보단 자연의 흐름 속에서 아름다움을 발견했죠.
I'm delighted to make your acquaintance. I have long been an admirer of your work. I am so pleased to attend.
These are your plans, madame?
Yes. Some are to be seen around the country, others are still in progress, not yet completed. However, as required, there are 2 sets of plans to your instructions. The 5th and 6th, I believe.
앙드레는 이전에 본 적 없는 사빈의 독특한 조경 방식에 의문을 품는데
Looking at these plans, there seems to be no trace.
I would not agree. I think there is pattern enough in number 6 to suggest
Do
absolutely...
you believe in order over landscape?
Order seems to demand that we look back to Rome or to the Renaissance, which needs the rules of order to attain it.
All of my work is based on a principle you choose to deny.
철저한 규칙 속에서야 비로소 아름다운 정원이 탄생한다고 굳게 믿고 있는 앙드레.
I have nothing but admiration for the scale of your work. You were the first to use such techniques. I must apologize for any insult that I may have unwittingly offered you.
Perhaps, madame, when you have been in the public eye and available for ridicule for as long as my family has, you will think again about this conversation. Good day to you.
책상 앞에서 도면을 그리는데 머무르지 않고 직접 땀 흘려 정원을 만들어가는 사비는 남편과 딸을 잃은 아픔을 꽃과 나무로 달래며 묵묵히 버텨왔죠.
Marie Claire. Jean? The wheel.
I told the master. He said it would do until Betty.
Very.
사비는 위험을 알리기 위해 마차를 막아서지만 오히려 그것이 큰 사고로 이어지고 말았죠.
You have a preferred candidate, master?
왕이 바라는 완벽한 정원을 만들기 위해 깊은 고민에 빠진 앙드레.
No doubt, it's death if I fail him.
Prison, more like. Get your hands dirty, see what grows. That's what your father would have done.
사빈의 작품에 묘한 끌림을 느낀 앙드레는 결국 그녀를 찾아가는데
I spied on you today before you attended the interview. You moved one of my pots.
I did.
I was curious. This abundance of chaos. This is your Eden?
My search for it?
I spoke today of the pressure of being in the public eye. I will spare you any repetition, but madame, in my world, even anarchy is by royal command, and chaos must adhere to budget.
그렇게 두 사람은 함께 베르사유 정원을 설계해 나가기 시작합니다.
This part is entirely original to myself. You see, it fits onto this end of your plan.
It's an outdoor ballroom.
There is a pool of builders. Select whatever supplies you care to. Commission whatever embellishments you think appropriate. Time is not unlimited. Here's the budget. Try not to exceed it.
사비는 이 모든 상황이 그저 얼떨떨하기만 하죠.
Master? Why me?
These gardens should be large enough to embrace voices other than my own.
앙드레의 믿음에 보답하기 위해 그 어느 때보다 진심을 담아 정원을 만들려 노력하는 사빈.
We waited an hour for a gaming table.
부쩍 바빠진 듯한 남편의 새삼 신경이 쓰이는 앙드레의 아내.
What are you studying that's so important? Are these the drawings that woman brought to the house?
They are.
I see. You're creative, but unable for the more delicate maneuvers. Don't forget that, Andre. I'm the expert. You're merely the gardener, however grand. Without me to promote your interests, well, use your famous imagination.
한편 파리에서 화려한 연회가 열리고 왕의 정원 사자격으로 사빈이 그 자리에 초대됩니다.
It seems an extraordinary life. But you may come and go.
Oh, yes. I'm out and about. And now they're all moving to Versailles, to a village.
Will you not join them?
I would go slowly mad.
하지만 사빈은 앙드레가 허세 가득한 베르사유 사람들과는 다르다는 것을 알고 있었죠.
You show no consideration for my vanity, madame.
I'm quite sure you possess none.
What of you, Madame Sabine de Barra? Are you prone?
You remember my hat?
It would be impossible to forget.
It was a considerable expense.
And entirely unnecessary.
완벽한 정원을 꿈꾸며 그들은 땅을 정성스레 다듬어 나가죠.
You are reckless, madame.
사비는 흙을 고르고 씨앗을 심으며 자신만의 방식으로 정원을 가꿔가고 앙드레는 그런 그녀를 지켜보며 설명할 수 없는 감정이 마음속에 번져감을 느끼는데 그것은 사빈 역시 마찬가지였죠.
Your wife does not accompany you ever? That is, she does not come out with you at other times.
You're very direct, madame. We have an arrangement. I feel disloyal in discussing such matters.
서로의 마음속 이야기를 털어놓을 정도로 가까워진 두 사람.
My husband died.
I'm sorry.
한편 갑작스레 왕비를 떠나보낸 루이 14세는 깊은 슬픔에 잠기고
If the king does not eat, France does not eat. I shall feed France, and you must put up with it.
I'm not hungry. I wish to go to Mali.
혼자만의 시간을 갖기 위해 양묘장을 찾은 루이 14세. 이런 사실을 알지 못한 사비는 루이 14세를 관리인으로 착각하는데
Monsieur de la Cantini? Is this the Four Seasons?
두 사람은 자연스럽게 대화를 나누게 되고
Good colour too.
You say you have a selection of plants.
I had them unloaded into a little cart, intending to have them conveyed here, but there seems to be no one about.
I wish to be alone. I had them sent away.
If you wish to be alone, I could come back.
No. I find you're the very company I need today. Nothing would suit me better than for me.
집 내리는 일을 거들기 위해 따라 나서는 루이 14세.
You are a devoted pearman, Master.
I quite like them, not overly.
I think the Master is playing a trick on me.
A trick?
Yes, I do know of your book on pears.
My book on pears?
사비는 그제서야 그가 왕이란 걸 알게 되죠.
May we ignore all that and continue as before? Today I am Monsieur de la Cantini.
Indeed. And you are.
그 순간만큼은 신분과 역할을 내려놓은 채 두 사람은 진심 어린 대화를 나눕니다.
At present, I am building in your gardens at Versailles.
Which construction would that be?
The rockwork grove.
I am familiar with it.
I cannot claim it entirely as my own. Master Lenôtre took a simple sketch of mine and made it outstanding, so you see my reluctance.
You admire the master, madame?
He is the most complete person I know.
You make me lonely for someone to describe me thus.
앙드레를 향한 사빈의 마음을 눈치챈 루이 14세.
For us both to face down our past and live in the present. I shall write a letter from one gardener to another, shall we say, in return for seeds sown. It will bring you to the court, where my eye will always be on you. I shall not forget our day in the garden, Madame de Barra.
그리고 며칠 뒤 왕의 인장이 찍힌 편지 한 통이 앙드레 앞으로 도착합니다.
Is it an invitation?
There's something you need, madame?
Andre? So secret?
I must inform you, since you ask, that I leave for Fontainebleau at the end of the week.
Fontainebleau?
I will travel there alone. Plainly, madame, that is the position. If you will excuse me.
Madame de Barra. She an aspect of your life I must now include.
자신의 잘못은 잊은 채 그의 아내는 두 사람의 관계를 질투하고 있었는데
Perhaps that is the fantasy between you and she. So be it. However, I must request that you keep it separate from our lives. If this liaison became common knowledge, it would make me a laughingstock. It makes my flesh crawl.
I remind you, madame, that it was you who embarked on this path. You, and only you, dictated how we live now. And you did it, madame, when I needed you most.
Andre. I feel us at the edge of something here. I'm trying to pull us back.
You knew the damage you inflicted, but you've been free to live your life as you wished, without embarrassment from me. I ask you now to extend me the same courtesy.
사빈이 일군 정원은 어느새 그 형태를 갖춰가고 있었죠.
You may not need to.
Just secure them then. We should cover these tears.
그런데 그때
We found the sluice gate that connects the reservoir to the fountain. If we fill it, the pressure in the pipes will build, and we can flood the grove.
사빈을 향한 남편의 시선을 질투한 앙드레의 아내가 정원을 망가뜨리는 모를 꾸미는데 그날 밤 밤새 내린 폭우와 방류된 물로 사빈이 애써 만든 정원은 진흙 속에 파묻혀버립니다.
What am I to say? It is original. Continue indefinitely. Do you expect that of us?
엉망이 된 현장을 바라보며 루이 14세는 실망감을 감추지 못하는데
Is it worthy of us?
There's no precedent for Madame de Barra's vision. Trust is all we can give to those who reach into the new, sire. But when beauty can be described with such imagination, then her art, above all I know, is worthy of the king.
그때 진흙 속에서 낯익은 장갑을 발견하는 앙드레.
I do not know what story this tells, or what harm it is part of. This is a bad end for both of us.
얼마 뒤 사비는 왕궁의 연회에 참석하게 되고 사람들은 이름 없는 가문에서 이 자리까지 오른 그녀에게 커다란 호기심을 보이죠.
Do you dig earth?
Yes,
But you're not blackened by the sun.
perhaps a little.
I've never had the smallpox. Your skin is clear. Your eyes are the colour of the sea. This gown is cut differently. I like it at the waist.
Are you married?
Widowed. Did you like your husband?
Yes.
Children?
Dead. A girl.
사비는 가족을 잃은 자신의 아픈 과거를 털어놓죠.
6.
Palatine has lost her son too. He was 4. So little and beautiful.
Charles was 1. I lost Joan and Anne together. Smallpox.
I lost my husband and my son.
겉으론 화려해 보였지만 그녀들 또한 가슴 깊은 곳에 각자의 아픔을 간직하고 있었습니다.
When you are strong enough. We're not allowed to speak of death at court. The king does not like it. But we speak about it amongst ourselves. Nobody may ban a child from its mother's heart. Oh, the king comes.
Have you been presented before?
No.
루이 14세와의 추억을 떠올리며 포시즌 한 송이를 준비하는 사빈.
Your Majesty, it is my pleasure to present Madame de Bar.
Madame?
Your Majesty.
Is it a Four Seasons?
It is, sire. For the most famous gardener in the world.
루이 14세는 매우 만족스러운 표정으로 이야기를 이어갑니다.
A light, honest scent. Natural and unforced. Some of the roses seem faded and overblown.
사비는 그의 질문에 숨겨진 의미를 알아차리죠.
That fate awaits all roses, sire.
Continue, madame.
All roses are open to the elements, Your Majesty. They bud, bloom, and fade.
Is that so, madame?
The rose grows entirely unaware, changing naturally from one state to another, and although the elements may treat her cruelly, she knows nothing of it and continues to her end without judgment on her beauty. Alas, it is not the same for us.
And what protection can the gardener afford this rose from the harsh elements of change?
Patience, care, and a little warmth from the sun are our best hope, Your Majesty.
그녀의 대답은 듣는 모든 이들의 마음에 깊은 울림을 줍니다.
I'm obliged to you, madame, for that sweet reminder. Now walk with me and tell me of your progress in our garden.
Kindness. Unbribed.
힘든 시간 서로의 곁을 지켜온 앙드레와 사비는 더 이상 사랑의 감정을 숨기지 않죠.
I'm to blame for it as much as she. She will live her own life. She knows that now.
시간이 흘러 사빈과 앙드레의 손길이 깃든 특별한 정원이 모습을 드러냅니다.
He loves it.
천국을 만들라는 왕의 명령처럼 그들은 진정한 천국을 만들어낸 것이죠.